Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of me plus my daily routine planner app. Here we click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about me plus my daily planner app. Here you can click on Forcestop and you can click OK. Then you can go to storage. After that you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.